Alright, this is a 2003 PT Cruiser. This thing is in absolute pristine shape. It's even got a nice set of rims that come with them. Tires have quite a bit of tread left on them. Just a little bit of rust right there, but for a vehicle this old, you're always going to get something that's wrong with them. It's going to be pretty much the extent of it for the body on this thing. Nice spacious cargo area. Back seat. Climate controls do work. This is how you aim the actual blowers. Windows do work. And that one does as well. The mileage on here is just under 140,000. We're at 139. So, pretty decent mileage. I'm going to go ahead and start up this engine. Starts straight up. Now, the engine that was on here was old, tired, and pretty much dead. So it's been replaced with a newer engine. Still used, but one that actually functions.
Oh, yeah. Go off the board. I'm going.
The radio does work. Go ahead and check out the engine bay. Again, this engine has been replaced. We have footage of that. You can go ahead and check out the links in the description to see those videos and what was all done to this. But yeah, that's pretty much it. 2003 PT Cruiser with a newer engine. Just under 140,000 miles. If you're interested in looking at this vehicle, go ahead and give Best Buy Auto a call. The number is right here.